We are here today to talk about the Xebia Base MLOps Platform. The Base MLOps Platform is a combination of different cloud machine learning services and machine learning tooling that can enable the user to rapidly deploy machine learning models into production, as well as offering a structured way of working. To build your own platform is still rather a complex thing to do. You still need to combine multiple services and integrate it with the rest of your infrastructure. When building such a platform from scratch, it generally takes companies months before they get into production-ready state. But with the Base MLOps platform, we can accelerate that process and go from months to weeks. The idea is that the platform supports a full development cycle, going from a proof of concept towards an MVP fully running in production. The platform is built upon MLOps best practices and structures the way of working for all teams that develop machine learning products within the organization. The development cycle helps integrate machine learning models faster within your organization and shortens the time to market. The Base MLOps platform exists out of all services needed to serve machine learning products. It includes infrastructure for experimentation, deploying models into production, as well as a monitoring stack to track the performance of machine learning models. The Base MLOps platform can be used for any type of data use case, ranging from advanced analytics all the way to AI use cases. It is also implemented in such a way that it can scale with the needs of the business. Whether data sizes increase or the amount of prediction requests increases, the platform will make sure it scales. The platform is built for all types of organizations, including SMEs and enterprises. The Base MLOps platform is basically 80% built, and 20% can be modified up to the customer requirements, meaning that it generally fits any size of company. The way that we deliver these platforms is by first reviewing your current data architecture requirements, and based upon that, we will deploy the platform within multiple weeks. Afterwards, we deploy multiple machine learning use cases in production. Xebia will make sure that the teams working with the Base MLOps platform will get the proper knowledge to maintain and continue to build the platform. Together with you, we will implement multiple machine learning use cases. So, if you're interested, get in touch today for a free consultation